In 2022, Google made a whopping $162 billion from search ads. That's a lot of money. So why do they make so much money from search ads? It's because it drives revenue for businesses. Just think about it this way. If you search for a home to buy in your local city and you see an ad and you click on it, there's a good chance that you may find a home that you're looking for from that ad. Or if you're looking for an affordable laptop and you do a search for it and you click on one of the ads, there's a good chance if someone shows you the affordable laptop that you're looking for at a great price, you're gonna buy it. That's why Google makes so much revenue from ads. It's a great way for businesses to capture their ideal customer in a really easy way, and they can do that instantly. In other words, the moment you spin up ads is the moment that you can start generating more revenue. You don't have to wait 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. You can literally generate extra revenue the same day. But here's the thing, with that much spend on Google Ads, you know what's a big thing that's happening for many businesses? They're wasting money. In the grand scheme of things, billions of dollars is being wasted on bad ads. So check this out. This little tool will help you get a better ROI from your paid ads. And this is especially useful if you haven't been able to make your paid ads work in the past. So check out Ads Grader by me, Neil Patel. So what I want you to do is go to adsgrader.com and put in your URL. Quickly, the tool will analyze your paid advertising campaigns and tell you where there's money to save and how you can tweak your campaign to generate more income. For example, I'm looking on my screen right here at a real estate ad campaign. And when I look at this ad campaign, they have a quality score of 5.89. Ideally, you want a quality score of 10, but that's unrealistic. 7 or anything higher is good enough. On top of that, it breaks down how they're wasting over $6,000 on ads and how they can reallocate that money to get a better ROI. It also shows how their click-through rate is only 2.69% instead of 4.76% was what they want to target. And it shows you what changes you need to make so that way you can get that 4.76% click-through rate. Now, the cool thing with the ads grader is it also breaks down how many impressions you're getting, how many clicks you're getting, what's your cost to acquire a real customer, and what you need to do in order to maximize your revenue. And it breaks this down for things like performance max, search, and even display. So what you'll want to do is run your URL through Ads Grader, and it'll break down really quickly if you're wasting $100, $1,000, and we've even seen many companies wasting, I kid you not, over $1 million a month in mismanaged ad campaigns. And it breaks down step by step what you need to do to fix it so you can get a better result. Look, should you be spending money on Google Ads? Yes, but you need to be doing it in an efficient manner. The key is, for every dollar you spend, what's a maximum return you can get? And the Ads Grader will help you do that for free. So check it out at adsgrader.com.